All right, so we're starting off on number 16. Hopefully you've already done 13, 14, and 15 like I asked you in the last video. I did the highlighting for you, so you just have to combine the like terms and make a simpler expression. So now we're moving on to expressions with exponents. Remember, exponents are these little tiny numbers that are in superscript. Okay? That's what it means when they're slightly above the variable or number. So here we go. We have 13q squared plus 4q. So these are like terms because not only do they have the same variable, but they both have the same exponent. So all you need to do is add them together, okay? So 13 plus 4 is 17. Don't forget to add the q squared. Okay, so we got 17q squared because we added the 13q squared plus the 4q squared. Next one, very similar. We have 3w cubed. That's what that little 3 means. And 6w cubed. So 3w with the third power and 6w to the third power. So those are like terms. We can add those together. 9w cubed, or 9w to the third power. Now, moving on to the next one. We have 9h squared. I don't have any other 9. Oh, I do have another. We got negative 2h squared. Then I can do my other like terms. I have 14g minus 12g. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So it'll be 7h squared. And then 14 minus 12 is 2. So it'll be plus 2g. And we're done with that. I forgot who's boxing these. Not in that color. There we go. There we go. All right, number 19. I got 25r cubed and negative 2r cubed. And then I have 9s and 5s. So 25 minus 2 is going to be 23. So 23r, nope, not squared, it's cubed. Not a 2, it's a 3. So that's where I got that. So 25 minus 2, and then 9 plus 5 is 14. So it's going to be 14s. So what we end up with is 23r cubed plus 14s. All right, the next one, we got 7z squared. Doesn't have any like terms. Then I have 16y minus 9y. And then, last but not least, I have a 32. So 7z is just going to stay the same, but I can combine the 16y and the 9y. So 16 minus 9, let's see, that's 6 is 10 minus 3 more is 7, right? Is that right? Yeah, I think so. If it's not right, let me know. Drop a comment in the chat. Just kidding. Just tell me. Raise your hand and tell me. 7 squared. This is a z, so don't get that confused with the 2. And then we just pull that 32 down. So we could only combine 2 things, 2 terms in there, the 7y and the 9y. And the last one is going to be very similar. We're doing 18k squared. We got this k squared, and then we have 12j cubed, and then we have a 48. So we do 18 minus 6. I'm going to use a calculator. I'm not too proud. You know what? It's 12. I knew that. So it's 12k squared. And then 12j is just going to stay the same because I don't have anything to combine it with. And same thing for the 48. All right. So these are your notes, okay? So if you need help on the next worksheet, you need to come back to this video. The only problems you had to do on here were 13, 14, and 15. And I did the hard part for you. So use a highlighter, take your time. Good luck.